we're going to begin the installation of the turbo plate. The first thing that we want to do is, this is the inlet turbo plate, is we want to position it adjacent to the incoming pipe. And we want to draw a level line on which the turbo plate is going to be mounted. So get your level and find a level line. Different things work for different substances, but these wax pencils work pretty well. Okay. Hard to see, but it's right there. And then we're going to mount the top of our inlet plate a half a pipe diameter above the top of the pipe, which in this case it's a 12-inch pipe. So we're going to set the top of the plate 12 inches above, or excuse me, 6 inches above the inlet pipe. So we have our level line drawn, and now we're going to mark 12 inches from the top, which is where we're going to mark our plate. So we have our level line. We've drawn it plumb. We have our 12-inch mark. Okay, so the top of the plate will be set at that point, and will be plumb to this vertical line. Okay, so we're going to mount the inlet plate. These plates are heavy, so it's typically a two-man job. So we're going to hoist it up, grab it on here, and then we marked the top of our plate earlier. So we're going to hold that in position and along the plumb line. And we're going to mark the holes to drill. Okay. Now, I find the best thing to do, okay, we can put it down now. Okay, we're going to put the first bolt in, and we're going to allow this bolt to kind of act as a hanger for the others. Now we're going to mark the center points of the rest of our holes. Okay, make sure that we're on the plumb line. Yep. Again, marking the center point. All right, now we'll take it off the wall. Using that first bolt as a hanger makes accurate marking for the center line for the other plates a lot easier. So now we're going to place the remaining 3 bolts into the turbo plate. And now we'll trial fit the plate onto the structure wall. Okay, great. So the holes line up, and then we'll tighten on the other side. So now the next step is to mount the side plates. Just as we did with the solid inlet plate, we drew a plumb line on the side of the structure, and then from that plumb line we drew a vertical mark that will indicate where the top of the plate goes. And again, this is definitely a two-person job. So we're going to mark the first hole, and then we're going to use that first hole to secure the plate for the rest of the drill holes. Perfect. All right, now we're going to use a pilot drill. First thing we're going to do is drill a pilot hole. Great. And now we're going to install the last, do the last part of the installation, which is ratcheting down the plates and tightening up the 3/8-inch stainless steel bolts.
Thank you for your interest in BMP and our line of innovative, cost-effective stormwater quality products. We hope you found this installation video helpful. Please feel free to contact us with questions at engineering@bmpinc.com or by calling 800-504-8008 or 888-434-0277 and ask for application engineering for installation help or any technical support. Thanks again for choosing Best Management Products as your stormwater quality provider.